Hey folks, it's Daniel Rashid. Thanks for tuning in again. I am here to talk to you about finding a deal in this hot market. Look, I know the market is crazy hot and you feel like there's just no deals out there, that you want to sit on the side bench and just wait till that market comes down and cools off. You're going to miss out on deals. I'm telling you, a lot of the bigger companies, investors, or even just buyers, of single family homes are not just sitting on the bench. They're looking and actively seeking deals. And when they find it, they bite. There's some that are selling high, sure. Some may sell high, in multi-offer bids, it gets aggressive. You're going to be paying a lot of money for a place, possibly. That same place may not sell to that buyer, and you might be able to swoop in and take it for, 5-10% less. There is always a deal. But to say that there isn't right. You can't just say that there isn't a deal out there. Have you actively searched? In the past week, how many properties have you looked at? How many properties have you analyzed? As an investor, how many multi-units have you crunched the numbers on and seen if there's any positive cash flow in that situation? To just render the whole market not investable is just ridiculous. Because this is a hot market, yes. Prices are high, yes, but it's also a fragile market. You got a lot of people over leveraged right now that need a ticket out, possibly, and that you could be the ticket in to get them out, and you got a nice property for a decent buck. That could be with realtors, that could be for sale by owner, or one of the for sale by owner companies. There might be a deal at play. So don't stop actively looking. It may be hard to uncover, but the good deals always are. The best piece of advice is just prepare for that purchase. Be ready to buy it. If you're not actively on the ground looking at this stuff and being prepared to purchase, when you find a buy that's ridiculous and you're not prepared, you might miss out. So take the active steps. I've done some videos on that. Any questions, you just let me know. But don't just think this market's too hot not to buy. This market has plenty of deals that you're missing out on if you're not doing your homework and actively looking. It's Daniel Rashid. Thanks for tuning in. I do appreciate you always taking the time to watch my videos and like and subscribe. I'm here to help you, so you ask me any questions that you need. And yeah, till the next time. Catch you later.